guys, welcome back to Forrest Speed Shop. So today we're going to be working on the two Yamaha DT100s again. So right now I just got the yellow one here, but that's because I've got a really awesome update. So in the first video of these things, pretty sure y'all remember seeing the that it would rev up on its own. I was trying to think of the word. You saw that it would rev up on its own whenever it was running, and of course that sucks. It's not supposed to do that. Well, I figured out what it was. Behind this cover here is the crank seal, and the crank seal was leaking just a little bit, but it was enough to get it to go, and I left the gas on last time. It was enough to get it to rev up whenever you would give it more than half throttle if it was tuned properly. When it wasn't tuned properly, you literally could just putt around on it for hours on end, but it had no power. So I got it tuned properly. Also, I lost my other gas cap for this tank. So this is my custom little gas cap that, you know, made from a little pipe fitting. But so I'm gonna be messing around with this today. We'll probably be riding it around as well. But I just want to show y'all, I think it's got enough gas in it to run. So in the first video I showed y'all, tried to show y'all that it runs really nice and easy. It starts easy. Actually, before I start it, just want to let y'all know that this right here, little kickstand switch right there, actually works. So if it's in gear, it's going to shut off. Like, you kick it, you put the kickstand down, and if it's in gear, it turns off. But let's see. Yeah, this thing hasn't run since last night. Also, yeah, I got a little switch wired up right there. Just about out of gas, but all the lights work. Even the blinkers work too. So, heck yeah. Yeah, so totally wicked cool bike. I just gotta, I gotta fill her up with some gas. But yeah, so what was I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna ride this around later today. Get this thing going real nice. I gotta put some more gas in the tank, but I do have the red DT100 back over here, and the red DT100 has been sold to the red DT100 has been sold to my best friend. Him and I are gonna probably ride these around at some point, but right now it's missing a shifter, but it does run. I'm gonna pull it out here in a little bit, and I'm gonna grab the I got a new thing to mount the coil, and yeah, once I get all that put on, we'll take the yellow bike for a nice little joyride. Alright guys, so yeah, so I got everything done on these that I was gonna do. Just making sure they were getting fuel. I threw the new, there's a little bracket under here on the coil to hold it on there properly. I just messed around with the fuel filters on this. I don't know if you can see, but this tank is leaking gas. It was leaking a lot worse before, and there's a bunch of JB Weld on the bottom of it. This one, maybe you can see it if I pull the cap off. But no. Oh, maybe. No. Oh yeah, right there. You see those two little spots? Yeah, those are holes in the tank as well. So I gotta pull these tanks off at some point, probably after I run them out of fuel again, and put some JB Weld on those spots so they don't leak. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna hop on my yellow bike right here, and we are gonna go for a quick spin. We're gonna moto vlog it. Yeah, so I'll throw the GoPro on my helmet and let's get going. All right guys, so this bike is running. This switch right here, see, shuts off all the other lights. Crank the idle up here a little bit. But watch the neutral light. It works. And yeah, I understand the oil light shuts off when you put it in gear. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. But it does work when it's not sitting there. Again. I feel like there's some crap in the car too. But get some driving time on it. We're gonna put so I got this bike with 984 miles on it, and it's now got 1,050, which is kind of crazy. I've only ridden this around my neighborhood. It feels kind of like I'm going fast to me, but even though it sounds or looks or feels, it's not. This thing is legitimately slow. Oh yeah, also the horn works. Not well, but it works. Idle up a little bit on this thing. Y'all, this bike is slow as all get out. Wait, we gotta honk the horn. That's such a funny sounding horn. The rear blinkers do not work, and it is kind of sad, but I don't even know if y'all can hear the damn horn. It's so quiet. Yeah. Come on. Oh, we're in a good one. messing it a couple of times. I don't know why it does it, but it does it. Where I tap it down, I guess I don't tap it hard enough, but it goes to a fault. Kind of sucks. See, now we're in first. It's louder. You can't hear it though. Yeah, I gotta replace that horn. But it's so much fun to listen to. First gear, left blinker. The idler up just a wee bit. Once she warms up, she likes to idle a bit lower than she did whenever I first took her out. Power band, guys. I'm sure I got wicked helmet hair right now, but got the bike back over here at the house, still leaking gas, but this thing's a blast. Pretty sure you heard the horn. I quite enjoy the horn. We almost hit 1,060 miles today. Wow. We started with 1,050 and I just put 8, almost 9 miles on it just riding through my neighborhood. So yeah, this thing's awesome. I'm gonna be doing a few more. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff with this thing here shortly. I got some other stuff I gotta do, but once I get everything done, we'll be having an absolute blast. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more moto vlog, working on bike content. I don't know. But yeah, just subscribe for more content. I got to put a new wiring harness in that here soon. I'm gonna be pulling my El Camino back out, and yeah, this thing won't be on the channel. We're actually selling it here shortly. It's sad. It's really cool, but that thing will probably be on the channel at some point. So yeah, just more projects to come. Oh yeah, I don't have the keys to unlock my shed, but my Harley is in here. So whenever we get to moving along, once I get stuff going, I gotta get a little bit of money and get my Sportster fixed, and once I do that, we'll start ripping around in this thing a bunch. I had to put the new wiring harness in that 56 like I just said, and yeah, so we're gonna be having a blast. So if y'all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and hope you like the new intro.